like this that has lots of these big circles, those are the follicles. Okay, the picture makes it seem really purpley, but some of the cells are a little bit more pinky, so don't go by color as always. They want you to be able to recognize the follicular cells, which are all of these squash cells that make up the edge to the follicle. The colloid, which is all the stuff inside, it could have cells inside, or looks like structures inside, is forming the thyroid hormone, or it could be solid, like this, either way. And then they want you to be able to find parafollicular cells, which are usually bigger, and they exist between the cells. Like here's a parafollicular cell, way up there is one, and there is a grouping of one up there. So make it simpler for yourself. If it forms the ring, it's a follicular cell. If it's another cell, it's parafollicular. If it's inside the circle, it's colloid. So inside the big circle, this is all colloid in here. If I ask you what the whole structure name is, that's a follicle. So, so in this one again, I could say, what endocrine structure does it come from? This is what endocrine gland, does it come from? This comes from the thyroid. I could say, which type of cell is indicated here. That's a follicular cell. It forms part of what structure within the thyroid? The follicle.
So the edge, or the kind of between the follicular cells, what you said?
This is follicular, like all around the edge. So this is a follicular. That's a follicular.
Okay.
That's another one. Anything that's way over here, like this, or like this, or like that, or this huge one up here, those are all parafollicular. Okay. And so I'm going to try really hard to choose one that's really close, obviously forming the ring, or one that's really far away, not one that could be either. Yeah?
And you said the follicular ones are squash?
Usually squash. They'll usually look squashed, and those are the samples that we have. They should look more squamous. Parafollicular are usually bigger, but our samples aren't always as perfect as we would like. Okay, but you're always looking for something like this. This is at the highest power. This is at 40 power. So very different in terms of the level that we're looking at it.
And it would always be shown at 40?
Always at 40, because
Okay.
otherwise we can't really tell the difference
Okay.
between them.
All right.
All right, I'm going to turn the lights back on, and I'm going to try to get parafollicular up while you guys keep going.